Hey everyone, this is day one. So I didn't actually think a lot, but yeah, I have one word and I'm gonna talk about it. It's perception. The word is very underrated, to be honest. It is basically what you understand from your point of view. It may not be true. सो मेरे लिए जो सही है वो तुम्हारे लिए सही होगा या नहीं होगा, डिपेंड्स. इट्स रिलेटिव. द कंसेप्ट इज टोटली रिलेटिव. इसमें ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग आगे वाले को हमेशा गलत या हमेशा सही समझ लेते हैं, बट इट्स टोटली अबाउट द वाइब्स. इफ यू आर वाइबिंग विद द पर्सन यू विल थिंक दैट अरे ये तो सब सही बोल रहा है, बट थिंग इज लाइक तुम लोगों का अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैच करता है, तुम्हारा परसेप्शन मैच करता है. But the person which is wrong is not actually wrong. Sorry, who is wrong is not actually wrong because उसका perception अलग है. I'll tell you more. So perception के factors काफ़ी हो सकता है, but एक है तुम्हारा past experience उस किसी भी चीज़ को लेके. दूसरा है तुम्हारी personality. Like if you are a very forward going person or confident person, you will accept it and try to have another perception. नहीं तो there are a lot of examples in our society where mediocrity comes in and they are like नहीं ये तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, नहीं ये तो यही है, ये तो सही है, without any reasonings. So I think if you are a Gen Z or today's person, you are more aware about what perception is and it can be changed and it should be changed, or perception should not be biased. बिकॉज घर वाले बोल रहे हैं या फिर हमारे आजू बाजू में सराउंडिंग बोल रहा है तो मैं यही फॉलो करूँगी. नो, आई थिंक यू शुड एक्सपेरिमेंट मोर एंड डू टेस्टिंग और try to have another point of view if everyone is having the same. It's not like you should always go against someone. I'm not saying that. It's just that be logical or find another logic. It's so experimental. So I would say in a few words, like perception is experimental, it's relative. So if you are disagreeing with someone, I would suggest take a deep breath and try to understand the perception. And one more thing, they may not be right and you might not also be right. So I would suggest experiment, and with time it will be easier for you. I don't know why I'm looking like here. It's only this that's here.